saw in the description, we're going to be doing a squishy review. And as you see, I got all my beautiful squishes. Watch my slime review video. I show my ginormous pink slime to y'all guys. And all my other slimes, which I only have 4 slimes, so. The next video I'm going to be doing is squishies I never squished, and I have reasons. Okay, so, hi Mama. My mom really likes the pink slime we made. She added a lot of activator, but that made it turn out really good. Didn't it? Like, she put out a whole lot. Like, just imagine this much slime. That's how much, like, maybe like that much activator. That's how much she put into this slime. She's silly. So we have like squishies, like good squishies, Dollar Tree squishies, kind of bad squishies that I don't really care for, and mini squishies that are almost broken. And did I not mention homemade squishies? Mini homemade squishies. So, I'm going to sort them out, and yeah, and we're going to do from bad to good squishies. So that. No, that. She's playing with it right now. It smells really good. Like, it smells like our clothes. And our clothes smell really good. Like, It's like a satisfying slime video. Me and Mom, we had it pulled, and we were pulling it away from each other, and we were seeing how far it could stretch. And it was all the way from the room where we have our backpacks and stuff, from all the way to the kitchen. Yeah, guys. So we're getting it from squishies I don't really care for, from like good squishies, from terrible squishies. Mackie's scared. So we're going to do it from Dollar Tree squishies to Walmart squishies to mall squishies. From homemade squishies. So yeah, if it's a homemade squishy, I'll say right from the top. Got that from the mall. Walmart, Dollar Tree. Yeah. This is from Brick City, but we'll just put it in the mall. Oh, yeah. We went to Fritz Adventures yesterday, and it was really fun. We climbed the brick wall. It was okay. It was really fun. Well, I can pay you back $100. Mom. Oh. Walmart, Mall, Dollar Tree. This is from Target. Walmart. I know I'm missing some squishy. I'm missing one squishy, so it's not that important. So how about we do my homemade squishies first? So we're going to move all these squishies from their sorts. We're gonna go to the squishy cam. As you saw in my first video, we had the get back. We had the slime can, and now we have the squish can. And what are you watching, Mom? So here's the first squishy. So here it is. You can't see like the stuff I added on it, but it's a pumpkin. very not that so rising. I'm gonna put some slime on it. Slime makes it so better. Hopefully, slime back if it can, but apple squishy, pumpkin squishy, I mean. Here are 2 friendship heart squishies because they love each other. Put in the comments down below who your favorite Disney princess is. Take the Disney princess test on BuzzFeed. Make sure you subscribe to Story Booth, and yeah, box. Okay, so now we're going to do Dollar Tree squishies. So I'm going to zoom you guys out, but we're going to back you guys up. I said I was sorry for wasting your money, Mom. Yeah, it did. Okay, so now we're doing Dollar Tree squishies. So here's the first one. It's the pineapple squishy. I feel like this one could be such a better squishy, but it just isn't. It's not even that slow rising. Like, what do you expect whenever you get something from the Dollar Tree? This is the berry squishy that Katie Pham got me. Katie Pham is in Vietnam right now, so everyone say hi to Katie Pham. Hi, Katie Pham. Welcome. But yeah, she's in Vietnam right now, so she got me this. So. There's this very useless elf squishy. It is more like a stress ball, not even a squishy. Like, see, and it came with this mark on it. Oh my gosh. I need to touch this slime. We have Sage the dog. It's kind of so rising. I think I made it really quick. This one is one of my least favorite. I mean, look at the top of it. It's torn up on the top because I broke a hole in it. It's very, very dirty. Dirty. Then it's just terrible. And then the last Dollar Tree squishy. I think this one's one of my favorite ones from the Dollar Tree. It is this football one. Not because it's a football. I'm not a fan of football. It's because, ow, it just pulled off glue. But yeah, it's just so squishy. Like, I bet if I cut it open, like, see, look. It's just so squishy. Oh crap, I'm putting defects in it. So now we're going to do Walmart squishies. Those squishies. So here's my donut squishy. My donut squishy I pulled the peeling off of. Cat squishy. Rabbit squishy. Let me go with the squishy pad. Dog squishy. Hug squishy. Chipotle squishy. I think Chipotle makes you poop. Like, if you eat it. Sushi. This from Bailey Clark. I don't even know her. Talk about her in all of my videos. She's even in one of my videos. Check it out. It's Hi Bailey. If I can figure out how to put something in the icon, I will put it up there. So yeah. Ooh. This, I don't know if I just showed this to you, but look, it is so torn up. This is one of my favorite squishies, and it's so torn up. Here, I'll be right back, guys. Mom, look at all these. So fast for her. Oh my gosh, guys! Here's one of the squishies I missed. It's from my homemade squishy. It's a Max squishy. It's super squishy. It's also not this low rising. Yeah, she's such a good squishy. She's so rising, and she's a good squishy. Like Chipotle, He's so slow rising. Like, let's just check this out. It's just like slow rising so well. And then this one is our churro squishy. He's a really good squishy. He's like tearing up right there, but yeah, he'll be fine. I feel like he's just like so soft on the inside. And then there's this donut squishy. And then now we're doing them from like the mall and other places that were not Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Homemade. So this one was from Hot Topic. It's a cat donut. Oh my gosh, the light needs to like not reflect on it. You can see the cat face now. Super Soul Rising. I only paid $5 for this. Not even $5, like $4. Actually, if I paid, yeah, I paid like $4 something for it. It's super cool squishy, but it's super small. Yeah. Do not buy the squishies from Hot Topic and before you squeeze them, because like the silly, because like one of the, like two of the squishies whenever I was there were like super duper hard. Here's a Squishable. Make sure you check them out. Yeah. I got this from Justice. It's a new thing, I guess. I don't know, but they're obviously really popular, so let's take it out of the packaging. Here's the card. It came with Emma the Elephant. Super squishy. It's more like one of those rubber squishies. So I'm going to put it back in its packaging. Bouncing around. Get it how I live it. Get it how I live it. I got this penguin squishy from Claire's. One of the blind boxes. I got this one from the blind box and Claire's too. I got this one from Claire's. Why doesn't everyone just go buy their squishies at Claire's? I got this one from Brick City. I already showed you guys that. And then I got this hard squishy from, like this one I don't really squish that much because it's hard and stuff. Like, you can hardly squish it. But I did want this one, so yeah, and I got it. And then I drew on its tail. So that was the squishy review. If you like this video, subscribe to me and like the video. And put in the comments down below who your favorite Disney princess is. Yeah. My favorite is Mulan.